The Alamo, located in downtown San Antonio, Texas, is one of the most significant historical landmarks in the United States. Originally known as Mission San Antonio de Padua, it was established in 1718 by Spanish missionaries and later moved to its current location in 1724. As part of a chain of missions built throughout Texas, its primary purpose was to convert Native Americans to Christianity and integrate them into Spanish colonial society. The mission included a church, living quarters, and farmland for the indigenous converts. By the late 1700s, however, the mission system declined, and in 1793, the Spanish government secularized the Alamo, distributing its lands to local residents. In the early 19th century, the Alamo transitioned from a religious mission to a military outpost. Spanish soldiers stationed there called it the Alamo, likely in honor of their hometown, Alamo de Parras, in present-day Mexico. The site played a strategic role in conflicts between Spain, Mexico, and eventually the Republic of Texas. In 1821, Mexico won independence from Spain, and Texas became a Mexican territory. However, tensions between the Mexican government and Texan settlers, both Tejanos and Anglo-Americans, grew, ultimately leading to the Texas Revolution in 1835. The Alamo became a key defensive position during this period as Texan rebels seized it from the Mexican army in December 1835. The most famous event associated with the Alamo is the Battle of the Alamo, which occurred from February 23rd to March 6, 1836. A small group of Texan revolutionaries, including figures such as William B. Travis, James Bowie, and Davy Crockett, defended the Alamo against a massive Mexican force of about 1,800 to 6,000 soldiers led by General Antonio Lopez de Santa Anna. Despite being vastly outnumbered, the defenders held the fort for 13 days, refusing to surrender. On March 6th, Santa Anna's army launched a final assault, overwhelming the defenders and killing nearly all of them. The Mexican army executed any survivors, including Davy Crockett, according to some accounts. While the battle ended in a crushing defeat for the Texans, it became a powerful symbol of resistance and inspired the Texan forces to fight harder. The battle cry, "Remember the Alamo," became a rallying call for Texan troops, leading to their ultimate victory at the Battle of San Jacinto on April 21st, 1836, where they defeated Santa Anna and secured Texas' independence. Today, the Alamo is one of the most visited historic sites in the United States. It is part of the San Antonio Mission's UNESCO World Heritage Site, though it remains independently managed. The Alamo complex includes the original church, a museum displaying artifacts from the battle, and a visitor center that provides historical context. Tourists can walk through the site, see the preserved structures, and learn about the lives of those who fought and died there. Annual reenactments and ceremonies keep the memory of the battle alive, cementing the Alamo's legacy as a symbol of courage, sacrifice, and the enduring spirit of Texas independence. After the Revolution, the Alamo continued to serve as a military post under the Republic of Texas, later becoming part of the U.S. Army's network of forts after Texas joined the United States in 1845. The site saw continued use during the Civil War when Confederate troops occupied it. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, efforts to preserve the Alamo as a historic landmark began in earnest. The Daughters of the Republic of Texas, DRT, played a crucial role in its preservation, ensuring that the site remained a symbol of Texas's fight for freedom.